English full form GK analysis of the introduced FAO Food and Agricultural Culture Organization WHO World Health Organization Sonar Sound and Navigation and Ranging ZSI Zoological Survey of India IMF International Monetary Fund DDT dichloro diphenyl dichloroethane SOI Survey of India ICMR Indian Council for Medical Research